In this video, I will show you exactly how to examine granular individual answer data lines within your Typeform account. Getting started is very simple and only takes a few moments of your time. First, you need to navigate to your dashboard and open the specific form that you want to audit. Once your form is open and visible on your screen, look at the main menu panel located at the very top of your browser window. You should see several options there, but you want to click specifically on the Results tab. After you have clicked on Results, stay on that same page, but look just slightly lower at the sub-navigation menu that is positioned directly underneath those top tabs. From this secondary menu, you need to select the option labeled Responses. Clicking this will bring up a comprehensive view of all the data your form has collected so far. Now, take a close look at the main workspace table that has appeared in the center of your screen. This table is where all the magic happens. Each horizontal row that you see represents a single individual submission line from one of your respondents. Meanwhile, all of the vertical columns serve to display your specific form questions across the top. To get a closer look at a particular entry, simply click directly on any row in the list. This action will immediately open the Detailed Response View panel on the right side of your screen. This panel allows you to scroll through every single answer provided by that specific user in a clean and organized layout. By following these easy steps, you can dive deep into your data and understand the individual stories behind every submission you receive. It is a fantastic way to ensure accuracy and gather better insights from your audience. Whether you are checking for quality or just curious about specific feedback, this process gives you total control over your information.